Choosing the right air conditioner, AC. Choosing the right air conditioner, AC, for your needs involves considering several factors. One type of air conditioner. Window AC, affordable, easy to install yourself, suitable for single rooms. However, they are noisy and inefficient. Split AC, more expensive but quieter and more efficient. Consists of an outdoor unit and an indoor unit, requiring professional installation. Portable AC offers some flexibility but less powerful than other options and can be noisy. 2. Size and capacity. Crucial to get the right size for your space. An undersized AC won't cool effectively, while an oversized one will waste energy and money. Consider factors like square footage, insulation level, climate, and number of occupants. Measured in BTUs, British thermal units, or tones. Consult an HVAC professional for accurate sizing. 3. Energy efficiency. Look for models with high star ratings or EER, energy efficiency ratio. Higher ratings indicate lower energy consumption and running costs. Investing in a more efficient AC might have a higher upfront cost but save you money in the long run. 4. Features. Consider features important to you, such as multiple fan speeds for adjustable cooling levels, sleep mode for quieter operation at night, dehumidifier function to remove excess moisture from the air, smart features for remote control and monitoring. 5. Cost. Factors include initial purchase price, installation costs, and long-term running costs. Consider the total cost of ownership, not just the upfront price. Additional factors. Noise level. Look for models with lower decibel (dB) ratings for quieter operation. Brand reputation and warranty. Choose a reputable brand with a good warranty. Maintenance requirements. Consider how easy it is to clean and maintain the AC. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose an air conditioner that effectively meets your needs and keeps you cool and comfortable for years to come.